Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to fix SnapTube something went wrong. It's when the app is misbehaving. Guys, you need to click on settings, look for app management here, then you are going to click on app list. So this is the list of our applications. We need to search for SnapTube. Here is SnapTube, open it. Then we are going to force stop here, force stop. Then click on storage and cache here. Then we can clear cache. Then click on clear storage. Avoid clicking on the word delete because you may lose your account. All you need to do is to go back and restart your phone. Restart your phone. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.